Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your deltoids. Whether you're doing lateral raises during shoulder day at the gym or tossing the football around in the backyard with your kids, your deltoids can become stiff, sore, or carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the standard ball for the deltoid since it's a bit more firm, but you can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow us to personalize the usage for our own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding down the power button, then set the treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while treating your deltoids. I recommend the base or the reverse grip personally. You'll notice how natural it feels in reaching across the body and applying the Theragun in a perpendicular manner to your shoulder. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your deltoids, we recommend the following protocol. You'll apply the Theragun for 30 seconds in total, in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then to the insertion of the muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally, go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from one end to the other. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax your deltoids, we recommend using it all over the muscle, back and forth, side to side, for 2 minutes total. For me, this releases the tension from the day and loosens my shoulders so I can have a good night's rest and recover properly. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand. So explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.